What are the 5 top tax hacks for entrepreneurs? I'm here to tell you. My name is Kenneth French. I'm the Chief Investment Officer for Vast Holdings Group. One of our subsidiary companies called Vast Solutions Group does tax strategy. Specifically, they're the tax and financial engineering firm for small business owners. Why don't we get to the top 5 tax hacks for entrepreneurs? Number 1, if you're doing international business, have your company headquartered in Malta. Yep, your tax liability will drop significantly no matter where you are in the world. Also in part with that, Puerto Rico. You can move to Puerto Rico, beautiful place. Your tax liability, 4%. What's your tax liability now? A little bit higher than 4%, correct? The number 2 tax hacks for entrepreneurs. An 831B, what is that? That's a captive insurance company. If you have a lot of risk, one of the things that you could do is you could set up your own insurance company. There's some compliance that goes with it, there's no doubt. But that's a great way of lowering your liability as far as taxes go. Number 3, defined benefit plan. A defined benefit plan, sometimes it's known as a pension plan. If you don't have any employees, as an example, or a few number of employees, you can put away a lot of money. Sometimes we've seen people be able to put away as high as $400,000 as a contribution. What does $400,000 as a contribution mean to you as an entrepreneur if you have no employees? Well, 100% of that benefit goes to you. The tax liability, if you're roughly 25% tax bracket, you know what that means? That saves you $100,000 on a $400,000 contribution that in effect goes in for you. Tax deferred, when you pull it out, that's when you have to pay taxes on. That's the number 3 tax hack. Number 4, a 453A. What's a 453A? Specifically what that is that's when you have a highly appreciated asset. What you can do is instead of taking constructive receipt of the assets after they've been sold, what you can end up doing is, well, doing a nice thing. Take it as an income stream. You pay taxes when you take the receipt of the assets. That's a nice little way of forestalling your tax liability. Finally, maybe the most prominent, most important, hire a good tax strategist. As I mentioned, Vast Solutions Group, the underlying company under Vast Holdings Group, specifically what they do is tax and financial engineering for small business owners. Plan for it now. Hire a good tax strategist. You can check us out on the web at www.vastsolutionsgroup.com to help you and lower your tax liability. That's why we're here. That's why we're in business. That's why so many people have given us referrals. We're here for you.